In this video, we're going to solve a question. We're asked to write a program in 8085 to load the value 25H in register B, copy the content of register B to register D, increment B and decrement D, store the result of B in memory location 3000H, load the content of 3000H into accumulator, subtract 0.5 from accumulator and store the final result in 3001H. Okay, we'll take this step by step. First of all, to solve the first part of the question, we load the value 25H in register B using the instruction MVI B, 25H. So the first part is done. Now to copy the content of memory location from register B to register D, we use the move instruction, move D, B. Now to increment B and decrement D, we can use INR and DCR. So we're going to increment B by 1 and then we're going to decrease the value of D by 1. Now it says us to store the result of B in memory location 3000H. So we're going to transfer the value of B to A and then we're going to store this particular value in memory location 3000H. So this is also done. Next, we are asked to load the content of 3000H into accumulator. So for that we use LDA 3000H. The value in the memory location 3000H is loaded onto the accumulator. Now we're asked to subtract 0.5 from accumulator. So we have SUI instruction where we can subtract 0.5H from accumulator in immediate addressing mode. This is also done, and then the result of the subtraction is stored in the accumulator itself. Now finally we're asked to store the final result in 3001H. Since the result is in accumulator, so we can write STA 3001H. Okay, we'll keep a value and then see how it goes. Okay, so here we place 25H in register B, we've moved the same value in register D, we've increased register B by 1, which means 25H goes to 26H. We've decreased register D by 1, which means we go to 24H. Now we move the content of register B to A, which means now A has 26H, and then we store the value of A to memory location 3000H. So memory location 3000H will have 26H. Now we'll load the same value 26H to the accumulator. So memory location 3000H content, which means 26H is going to be loaded into the accumulator. We'll now subtract 5 from this, so accumulator will have 26 minus 5, which is 21H, and then finally the result in the accumulator will go to memory location 3001H, which means memory location 3001H will have the value 21H now. So this is how we solve this particular problem.